You can now use GPT 5.5 Pro and Claude 4.7 for free. I'll walk you through the entire process, but don't skip ahead because there's a specific part during registration that many people get wrong. Let's get started. Open your web browser. From this point onward, pay close attention. The setup is simple, but the registration process is where people get stuck. First, search for GitLab. Once you see the official website, open it. Now it's time to create your account. To make things easier, I recommend signing up using your Google account. After signing up, GitLab will send a verification code to your email address. Go to your mail, copy the code, head back to GitLab, paste the code here, and click Verify Email. Once that's done, you'll be asked a few setup questions. Choose whichever role fits you best. Then select any option from the list of reasons provided. Next, choose Create a New Project and select Just Me. After that, click Continue. You'll now see fields for your group name and project name. You can customize them if you'd like, leave the remaining settings unchanged, and click Create New Project. Now we're at the most important section. This is where you'll unlock ChatGPT and Claude for free. Enter any name here, then select your country and region. After that, click Activate My Trial. That's it. As you can see, the trial period lasts for 30 days. During that time, you'll be able to use both GPT 5.5 Pro and Claude 4.7. Now let me show you where to find them, because this is where a lot of users get confused. Many people activate the trial successfully, but never discover where the AI tools are located. To use Claude, open this side panel. Then click the Model selector. You'll notice several Claude models available, including other premium tools. Let's test one quickly. I'll enter a prompt. And there you go. The response is generated successfully. Now let's switch over and try GPT 5.5 Pro. And there it is, working exactly as expected. So with a single setup process, you get access to both Claude and GPT from one dashboard. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and do check out this other AI video from the screen.